Morning students, today we are going to discuss some Indian Olympic medal holders name who has got the medal for India in the Olympic Games. You know the Olympic Games is the best game in this world. After every 4 years basically it is held. Today I am just writing the name, just note down when and where they have got the medal. Okay, in Olympic basically 3 medal people get. One is silver medal, one bronze medal, and one was the gold medal. So I am writing the name and their positions of Indian famous players. Just note down it. Just make this list. Slide Indian Olympic medal winners. Okay, draw this one. This is the year. The first was 1952, the Helsinki Olympic. Okay, Helsinki Olympic. Or the KD Jadhav. KD Jadhav. KD Jadhav, the first Indian man who has got the medal. He has got the bronze medal. Okay, wrestling event. This event was wrestling. Okay, wrestling event he has got the medal. 1952. First individual first. KD Jadhav. Then Leander Paes. Leander Paes has got in 1996 at Atlanta Olympic. Atlanta Olympic, Leander Paes. Leander Paes. He also got the bronze medal. Bronze medal in long tennis. His event was long tennis. Then in 2000 in Sydney, Karnam Malleswari, first Indian woman who has got the medal. Karnam Malleswari in weightlifting. Karnam Malleswari weightlifting event. No. She has got the bronze medal. She also got the bronze medal in weightlifting. Weightlifting. Okay. Weightlifting. Then 2004 in Athens. Okay, in Athens, Rajyavardhan Singh Rathore. Rajyavardhan Singh Rathore got silver medal in shooting. Shooting he has got the silver medal. Rajyavardhan Singh Rathore. Then 2008, first Indian man who has got the gold medal, that is Abhinav Bindra in Beijing. Beijing, Abhinava Bindra. Abhinava Bindra first got the gold medal in shooting event. In shooting event, first he has got the gold medal. Abhinava Bindra. The same year, 2008, Sushil Kumar also got, okay, in Beijing. Sushil Kumar. Sushil Kumar also got the bronze medal in wrestling. And wrestling event. Sushil Kumar, 2 times he has got the medal. One in 2008 and another one is 2012. One time in Beijing and another time in London. London, Sushil Kumar has got, here he has got the silver medal. Silver medal. That is the one and only man who has got 2 times Olympic medal in the Olympic Games. Okay, one time bronze, 2008 and 2012 silver. Event was same, wrestling. Then 2012, India got so many medals. In London Olympics, first of all that's Sushil Kumar, then Vijay Kumar. Vijay Kumar also got silver medal in shooting. Okay. What I have forgot to say, 2008, another people has got the medal. That is, okay, 2008 in Beijing. That is Vijendra Kumar. Vijendra Kumar, he has got bronze medal in boxing. In boxing, he has got the medal. Okay. After that, Mary Kom, 2012, okay, in London, he also got the women's boxing. Here, he has got another medal. Mary Kom. Mary Kom also got bronze medal in boxing. Okay. Then after Mary Kom, 2012, another people has got the medal. He is Gagan Narang. Gagan Narang. Gagan Narang also got bronze medal in shooting. shooting. Shooting, he has also got the bronze medal. More 3 left. I'm writing here. Okay, completed this one. Above I'm writing. Okay, 3 also left. One is Jagatsar Dutt in wrestling, and 2016 two only girl got. Okay, so I'm writing above. One is 2012, same London Olympic, Jogeshwar Dutt. He has got the bronze medal in wrestling. In wrestling event, he has got the Manchester one. And 2016, only Rio de Janeiro, Sakshi Malik. Sakshi Malik, she has got the bronze medal. In same wrestling. Girls wrestling event, she has got the medal. And another one that is very famous, same Rio de Janeiro, that girl PV Sindhu. PV Sindhu got silver medal. Okay, silver medal in badminton. And another one I forgot to tell, that 2012, another girl who has got the medal, that is Saina Nehwal in London. Saina Nehwal got bronze medal in same badminton event. Okay. Saina Nehwal also got the bronze medal 2012. And last these two, 2016, Sakshi Malik and PV Sindhu. So these are our famous player of the India who has got the medal in the Olympic Games and medals proud. Okay. Just note down this and be remember. These are the very famous thing. So I hope all of you understood. These are the. Please note down. Be remembered for all time. Okay. So thank you very much. Have a nice day.